So let's see about lexical issues. Lexical issues is a collection of white spaces, identifiers, comments, literals, operators, separators, and keywords. So operators, we'll study that separately, and also keywords, we have a wide variety of keywords. So we'll study about operators and keywords separately. Other lexical issues we'll discuss here. The first lexical issue is white space. So white space generally means the space, tab, or a new line we give in coding comes under this. As we know, Java is a free-form language. It doesn't have to follow any special indentation rules. Indentation rules in the sense, just for typing a program, we don't want to follow any of the rules. Either if a programmer wants to type the whole program in a single line, the programmer can do it. Otherwise, in a format, if he want to follow, he can do that. But how the compiler understands the difference between the keywords is through this white spaces. There will be space or tab or a new line. Using these, they can give differentiation. Okay, so that is one of the lexical issues, and the next one is identifiers. So identifiers are just to identify a class, method, or a variable. The user for themselves, they'll give a name. Okay, that is called as identifiers. They are used just to identify them, and it may be any descriptive sequence of uppercase or lowercase letters. Both uppercase and lowercase is allowed, but there are some constraints. Numbers, underscore, and dollar sign is also allowed, but hyphen, slash, these are not allowed while creating the identifier. So some examples of valid identifiers are here: average temperature. You can start with capital letter. Otherwise, you can start with the small letters. With the dollar symbol, you can start a class name, method name, or variable name, or you can include underscore. That is allowed in Java. But invalid variable names include starting with a number, or using hyphen in between or slash in between is not allowed. The third lexical issue is literals. Literals, or the other name for literal, is constant. We can give a constant value in Java. Okay, the literal representation is just like that. I will be giving a type of literal. If it is an integer, we'll represent it as int, and then with a space, we'll give a value a is equal to 10. That 10 is called the literal or a constant value. So it's used, or it's created by using a literal representation of it, and a literal can be used anywhere a value of its type is allowed. And then the next lexical issue is comments. There are three types of comments in Java. First one is line comment, second one is multi-line comment, third one is documentation comment. So with double slash, you can give the comment over inside the programming. But that will not be executed by the compiler. Second, if you want to type multiple lines of comment, then you have to use slash asterisk, and then you have to start typing the comment. After that, you have to end with an asterisk symbol and a slash. And for documentation comment in the sense, if it exceeds multiple line, if you have to type a paragraph full of details, or any information that you want to upload in a HTML file, then you have to use this documentation command. It will start with slash star star, and then you should have all the contents, and then it will end up with star slash. The last type of lexical issue is separators. So inside the program, we'll be using separator symbols. Just by this white space and separators only, a compiler will understand the program. So the usual separator that we use is semicolon. This semicolon will be indicating the compiler that the particular line is ending. Even though you write the program in one single line, it will be divided. Each and every line will be identified with this semicolon symbol. Some other separators are parentheses. For creating method, we'll be using parentheses with arguments. Braces, while using a condition checking, we'll use curly braces. Bracket for creation of array size. Comma, to separate the arguments, we'll use comma, and a dot called period is used.